and the deal of the day is back to the pound JPY. Now, of course, I'm totally aware, guys, of what happened 2 weeks ago when this signal has completely failed, and that was really one of the worst deal of the days that I have ever given to you. But again, that doesn't mean that I will stop giving the deal of the days. I will continue giving it, and actually my philosophy in life is no matter what things goes wrong, just keep going, no matter what happened, never stop. So today's deal of the day will be actually on the pound JPY. And actually, if we look right now at the weekly chart, we are having here a good price action indicates for a bearish fall. Actually, right here, guys, on the weekly chart, we are having here a lot of wicks at the top of the candles, indicates a pressure from these sellers to push the market to go down. And most likely right now, the market has actually created here a resistance level. And as you can see, we barely have here any support at all. And then last week, the market actually closed below that level of the resistance, which means now that in theory, supposed to be, the pound JPY have only one place to go, which is to the bottom. Therefore, I believe that the pound JPY will actually be testing that level of the support right here at 181.390. So that being said, let's now move to the daily chart. Now, based on the daily chart, what we can see right here is actually interesting because right now we are having here a broken level of the support trend line. So as we can see right here, the support trend line has been created here. And right now this candle has actually made the bearish breakout from that level of the support trend line. And right now, actually on Friday, the market made here the retest of the broken level and created, of course, a new resistance trend line number 1. Now, to add more confirmations here, we can look at the left side and we can see right here that the market has indeed retested the broken level of the resistance exactly at 183.891. As you can see right here, it was actually the peak of the candle. So now everything says that the pound JPY will continue the fall. Moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Now, based on the 4-hour time frame, actually, you know what? I want to move to the 1-hour time frame. Now, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see clearly that the market has created here head and shoulders pattern, which indicates a continuation in the fall. Therefore, if I'm not mistaken, guys, and hopefully I'm not this time, hopefully I'm not wrong, if we check here the resistance trend line, we can see clearly that the market actually kept respecting that level of a resistance trend line. Check this out right here, a resistance trend line, a fake breakout, then it became a support trend line, and then a support trend line, then a resistance trend line all the way right here until finally we can see that the market has actually made a fake breakout from that level. But eventually, if we zoom in, let me just zoom in to show it to you. Right here, we're having a resistance trend line, a fake breakout, and again another respecting level of this resistance trend line. So that means that most likely right now the pound JPY is indeed going to continue the fall. Now let's just highlight the strongest levels of a key and support resistance, and as you can see right here exactly right there, that was, my friends, a strong real level of a key support, as you can see. So that means that the market has already created here a fake breakout from that level of a previous support. As you can see, the market actually has failed to create a new support exactly right here. So what I'm trying to say here is that the market actually was supposed to create here a new support, because right here we're having a key support level. The market was supposed to create here a new support and continue the rise, but because of the pressure of the weekly chart, which confirms a strong bearish movement, and the daily chart also, the broken level of the support trend line, we can see right here that on the 1-hour time frame, the market couldn't create here a new support and instead just kept falling. That means that there is a lot of pressure right here, and therefore let's just highlight that this was, of course, right here a resistance number 1. So these entire candles right here, this pattern represents a resistance number 1. Therefore, let's wait for the pound JPY to continue the rise again and reach the exact same level of that resistance to create the second attempt of the resistance trend line. And if we check also the Fibonacci retracement, as we can see, we're looking at almost 38.2. Therefore, we will just wait. Actually, we can sell right here at 38.2, but I'm going to send you, I'm going to send you a safer option to sell at 183.345. And of course, if we do that, our take profit level will be right here, of course, at the absolutely lowest level of the support at 182.496, aiming approximately I would say roughly like 85 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, the stop loss will be placed just right there exactly right there at the highest level of the resistance. You know what? I want actually to lower the take profit level to be exactly right there. Let me just move to the daily chart. I want to see, actually, yes, our take profit level can be placed just right there. Yes, fantastic. Why right there? Because this was the nearest strong key support level. It was also a key resistance as well, and here we're having a fake breakout from that level. So therefore, our take profit level will be approximately 116 pips of profit against 57 pips of for the stop loss. Let me now write the signal for you. And here goes your signal, my friends, for the pound JPY. Hopefully it will be a good one, and hopefully we can all make good profits with it. And in the end, I want to say, guys, that we are all here traders. We are not here playing games. Therefore, make sure that every trade you're opening is an investment. So therefore, if you are willing to open this trade, please make sure that you have been prepared for any potential losses, and make sure that your stop loss is something that you have been preparing to. For example, if your investment is $10,000, or your capital is $10,000, make sure that you can invest on this trade like, let's say, $200, no more than that. So make sure that your stop loss is $200 and you have been completely prepared for this loss, because you are an investor, guys. You are trading, so meaning you are investing your money in this trade. So if you are investing, there is a chance for winning and there is also a chance for losing. So therefore, please don't be surprised if this signal failed. Don't be shocked. Don't be like, what is going on? I'm losing money. You have to be a serious trader, and you have to understand that you have entered this business, and you have to understand that losing is part of this game as well. So sorry, actually better to say is losing is part of this business as well. So again, guys, please trade wisely and careful. Just because it's coming from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% a profitable trade. There is always a chance for any trade, for any signal I'm sending to fail. Anyway, guys, again, if this signal is gonna fail or anything like that, I will actually send you a notification right here to close the signal as soon as possible before it reaches the stop loss. So if I notice any price action here going against our direction, a strong bullish price action, I will send you immediately on my free group of Telegram to close this signal as soon as possible before it reaches the stop loss. So again, you can join this free group. It will not cost you anything at all, and you will be trading with the Xtreme Trader team. So until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.